Sending money to your loved ones in Bangladesh just got easier with Remitly's direct Bkash integration. First, open the Remitly app on your smartphone or visit their website. Make sure you have a Remitly account. If not, signing up is quick and easy once logged in. Tap on Send Money to start your transfer. Next, you'll need to select the destination country for this guide. We'll choose Bangladesh. Remitly offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, so you can send more money with every transfer. Now, it's time to choose how your recipient will receive the money. Look for and select Bkash. As the payout method, this is the crucial step that allows us to send directly to a Bkash account. You'll then need to enter your recipient's information. This includes their full name as it appears on their Bkash account, and, importantly, their Bkash mobile number. Double-check all these details for accuracy to avoid any delays. Enter the amount of money you wish to send. Remitly will clearly display the exact amount your recipient will receive in Bangladeshi taka. Considering the current exchange rate and any applicable fees, review these details carefully. Before finalizing, you'll see a summary of your transaction. This includes the amount being sent, the recipient's details, and the payout method. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, press Confirm Transfer. And just like that, your money is on its way. Remitly will usually provide an estimated arrival time for your transfer, which is often very fast for Bkash transfers. Your recipient will receive a notification from Bkash confirming the funds have been credited to their account. Usually within minutes, you can also track your transfer status within the Remitly app. Sending money from Remitly to Bkash in Bangladesh is a straightforward and reliable process. Try it out today and experience the convenience,